Aibobi Bekene Munasi Konye Chiriyazela Fambo Precious, aka the #1 celebrity. Yes, so let's go there. Obuli na Chimaronya Hana Nweke Nweke gozie okeke have been announcing, have been complaining since that is trying his possible best to forge up some stories. Oh yeah, look at Onya na Nweke Nweke. Obuni chori imo Onya na Nweke Nweke Onya si Nweke Nweke. Ichori ima the person na Nweke Nweke. Oh yeah, look at him here. Before I start saying what I want to say. Onya na Nweke Nweke.
Gozie okeke onye arụrụ ala
Boss, I'm not here to promote your music. I bet I can promote you. You cannot pay for it. This man is very stupid. Now let me go for what I want to say. Kangani yenchori. Yes, kangunu. Nweke Nweke gika na agokwa. How many expect ka gozie okeke bia respond or nonsense here? You are wasting your time. Yes. And you are a boy, ya ga bia respond to you. Are you abu his boys? Look at me very well. You know me. Are you abu his boys? Ga bia respond to you. Especially Muabu choose. My master cannot come out on social media to respond this rubbish in Aguye. Gozie okeke is a very nice person. I've been with Gozie okeke for how many years? Even when I want to travel, I was looking for visa several times. I complained to him. This man took all of us to mountain. Keep praying for us to get the visa. Volunteer his time. Took us to mountain. We spent how many days there? Last, after spending almost 1 year looking for visa, the last day we went there is the last day I went to an interview and I take my visa. All these things you are doing on social media now, you want to bring Gozie okeke down, you want to bring Gozie, please go and rest. Gozie will never come out on social media to respond you. Do you know how many boys this guy have raised? I'm one of Gozie okeke boy that is doing perfectly well. Ina chomu Gozie okeke ndi name ofuma well. You must count Prince Chooks. Agobe kwa mni geno China, oni geno America. Oburo mi want a talent of singing in you. If you don't have a talent of singing in you, you'll be claiming that someone paid you at your age. Nweke Nweke. Nweke Nweke at your age. You are still coming on social media now, go nonsense here. How many years have you been in marketing? How many years have you been marketing music? How many stars have you raised? Man, tachafu gwego terunu CD go to market here, right? Our sweat, our commission, our everything. Onye kune wa go na achori anyway ka road oncha. Because Gozie okeke denounce you of his product anymore. Now suddenly he now become an evil person. Nweke Nweke, go and rest. Yes. Thank God for internet. Thank God for social media. Who knows how our career will be by now if we are depending on you people to market our songs for us. You numerai Diegu. So stop fighting Gozie. Stop fighting Gozie. Gozie is an innocent, investigate everything, trying to scatter his home, trying every possible best to make sure he go down. He's still standing. Nweke Nweke Gazweke. Go and rest and stop singing rubbish. To market music, ekworozigi. Now you not jump into singing. Even to the singing itself. Biakan kuzere ga obone na amwa.